This video guide is about removing the browser extension that is called Extra Search. The developers of the extension indicate that you will be able to search the web swiftly from your browser Extra Search, light and minimal new tab. Well, in reality, this extension functions as a browser hijacker. It may change a lot of settings of your browser without your permission. For instance, it may change the new tab. It may also change the default search engine. In case this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should urgently undertake the measures to remove it. Now let us see what happens. We open the new browser tab and we see this Extra Search instead of the blank tab. Also, when we submit some search queries, we notice that the results are delivered by some other fake search engines that have not been chosen by us. If you are not happy with such amendments into the way your browser functions, you should remove this Extra Search. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose the extensions. So disable and remove this extension. To make sure that your computer is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.